Imagine a vast digital ledger where every transaction of a specific cryptocurrency is recorded. This ledger is not just any ordinary record, it's a highly secure and decentralized system that ensures transparency and trust in the digital currency world. This ledger, known as a blockchain, is the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Each block in the blockchain contains a list of transactions, and once a block is completed, it is added to the chain in a linear chronological order. But who maintains this ledger and ensures its accuracy? This is a crucial question because the integrity of the entire cryptocurrency system depends on it. This is where miners come in. Miners are individuals or entities that dedicate their computing power to support the network. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of verifying and adding new transactions to the blockchain. This involves solving complex mathematical problems that require significant computational power. Miners use powerful computers to solve these complex mathematical problems. These problems are designed to be difficult to solve but easy to verify, ensuring that the network remains secure. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain and is rewarded with newly created cryptocurrency. This reward system incentivizes miners to continue supporting the network. This process is not only crucial for securing the network and preventing fraud, but it's also how new coins are brought into circulation. Without miners, the blockchain would be vulnerable to attacks and manipulation. In essence, miners are the lifeblood of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. They ensure that transactions are processed, blocks are added, and the network remains secure and functional. Think of it like a giant digital Sudoku puzzle. Each miner is trying to solve the puzzle, and the first one to do so gets to add their solution to the blockchain. Miners race to solve the puzzle, and the winner gets a prize. This competitive nature ensures that the network remains decentralized and robust. This competitive process is what keeps the blockchain secure and ensures its integrity. By constantly verifying and adding new transactions, miners play a vital role in maintaining the trust and reliability of the entire cryptocurrency system. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Hardware mining is the traditional way of mining cryptocurrency. It has been the backbone of the crypto world since the inception of Bitcoin and other digital currencies. This method involves using specialized hardware to perform the necessary computations to validate transactions and secure the network. It involves setting up powerful computers, known as mining rigs, which are specifically designed to handle the intensive computational tasks required for mining. These rigs are often custom-built and optimized for maximum performance. These mining rigs are tasked with solving complex algorithms that are essential for the mining process. The algorithms are designed to be difficult to solve, ensuring the security and integrity of the blockchain. These rigs consume a significant amount of electricity and generate a lot of heat. Managing the heat output is crucial, as overheating can damage the hardware and reduce its efficiency. This is why many mining operations invest heavily in cooling systems. The cost of setting up a hardware mining operation can be substantial. Not only do you need to purchase the mining rigs themselves, but you also need to consider the cost of additional equipment such as power supplies, cooling systems, and other infrastructure. You need to invest in expensive hardware such as ASIC miners, GPUs, or even CPUs for some cryptocurrencies. ASIC miners are particularly popular for their efficiency, but they come with a high price tag. Additionally, you need to factor in the cost of electricity, cooling, and maintenance. Electricity is one of the largest ongoing expenses for a mining operation, and finding ways to reduce this cost can significantly impact profitability. Despite the costs, hardware mining can be profitable, especially if you have access to cheap electricity and efficient hardware. Many successful mining operations are located in regions with low electricity costs and favorable climates for cooling. However, it's important to consider the difficulty of mining, which increases as more miners join the network. This increased competition means that the same amount of computational power yields fewer rewards over time. This means that over time, you'll need to constantly upgrade your hardware to stay competitive. Keeping up with the latest advancements in mining technology is essential to maintaining profitability and ensuring that your operation remains viable in the long term. Cloud mining offers an alternative to the complexities of hardware mining. Instead of setting up your own mining rig, you rent computing power from a cloud mining provider. These providers own and maintain large data centers filled with mining hardware. When you sign up for a cloud mining contract, you essentially purchase a share of the provider's hashing power for a specific period. You then receive a portion of the profits generated by the provider's mining operation, minus any fees. Cloud mining offers several advantages over hardware mining, including lower upfront costs, no need for technical expertise, and no hassle of managing hardware. However, it also comes with its own set of risks and drawbacks. Both hardware mining and cloud mining have their own cost and profit structures. Hardware mining requires a significant upfront investment in hardware, electricity, and cooling. However, once you've set up your mining rig, your ongoing costs are relatively low, mainly consisting of electricity bills. Cloud mining, on the other hand, has lower upfront costs. You only need to pay for the mining contract. However, your profits are shared with the cloud mining provider and you have less control over the mining process. The potential profits for both methods depend on several factors, including the hash rate of your mining operation, the price of the cryptocurrency you're mining, the difficulty of mining, and the fees charged by the cloud mining provider if applicable. Cryptocurrency mining, whether hardware or cloud-based, is not without risks. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and the price of your mined coins can fluctuate significantly. This means you could potentially lose money, especially if you invest in expensive hardware or cloud mining contracts during a market downturn. Hardware mining carries the risk of equipment failure, which can be costly to repair or replace. You also need to consider the risk of theft or damage to your mining equipment. Cloud mining, on the other hand, carries the risk of scams. There are many fraudulent cloud mining providers who take your money and disappear or operate Ponzi schemes. It's crucial to thoroughly research and choose reputable cloud mining providers. As we move towards 2025 and beyond, the cryptocurrency mining landscape is constantly evolving. The increasing difficulty of mining, coupled with the volatility of cryptocurrency prices, makes it challenging to predict which mining method will be more profitable in the future. Hardware mining is likely to become even more specialized and competitive, with larger mining farms dominating the landscape. Cloud mining, while facing challenges of trust and transparency, may become more accessible and affordable as technology advances. The world of cloud mining is rife with scams and pitfalls that can trap unsuspecting investors. While the promise of passive income from mining cryptocurrencies can be enticing, it's essential to be aware of the numerous risks involved. Many people have fallen prey to fraudulent schemes that promise high returns with minimal effort. One common scam involves fraudulent cloud mining providers who offer unrealistic returns on investment. These providers often lure investors with promises of guaranteed profits and exaggerated claims about their mining capabilities. They may use sophisticated marketing tactics to appear legitimate, making it difficult for even experienced investors to spot the red flags. These providers often disappear with investors' money or operate Ponzi schemes where early investors are paid with money from new investors. Ponzi schemes rely on a constant influx of new investors to sustain payouts, and once the flow of new money stops, the scheme collapses, leaving most investors with significant losses. Another pitfall is the lack of transparency in some cloud mining operations. Some companies may obscure critical details about their mining farms, making it challenging to verify their legitimacy. They might provide vague or misleading information about their operations, leaving investors in the dark about where and how their money is being used. Some providers may not fully disclose their fees, mining costs, or the actual hash rate allocated to your contract. Hidden fees and unclear terms can eat into your profits, making it difficult to achieve the returns you were promised. It's crucial to read the fine print and understand all the costs involved before committing to a cloud mining contract. This lack of transparency can make it difficult to assess the profitability of your investment. Without clear information, you may find it challenging to calculate your potential earnings and make informed decisions about your investment strategy. Always ask for detailed information and seek clarification on any points that are unclear. To avoid falling victim to scams, it's crucial to thoroughly research any cloud mining provider before investing. Take the time to investigate the company's background, read reviews from other investors, and check for any regulatory actions or complaints against the provider. A little due diligence can go a long way in protecting your investment. Look for reviews from reputable sources, verify the provider's registration and licensing information, and be wary of unrealistic promises of high returns. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. By staying informed and cautious, you can navigate the world of cloud mining more safely and avoid common pitfalls and scams. If you're considering venturing into the world of cryptocurrency mining, here are some practical tips to guide your journey. Start small. Begin with a small investment to test the waters before committing significant capital. Do your research. Thoroughly research different mining methods, cryptocurrencies, and providers before making any decisions. Understand the risks. Cryptocurrency mining is a high-risk investment. Be prepared to lose your entire investment. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider mining different cryptocurrencies or investing in other assets. Stay informed. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving. Stay up to date on the latest news and trends. The future of cryptocurrency mining is filled with both challenges and opportunities. As the industry matures and technology advances, we can expect to see new mining methods emerge and existing ones evolve. Whether you choose hardware mining or cloud mining, remember to approach this endeavor with caution, diligence, and a thirst for knowledge. The world of cryptocurrency mining is not for the faint of heart, but for those willing to navigate its complexities. It offers the potential for significant rewards. Don't forget to subscribe to Krytonite for more amazing crypto news and stay updated on the world of crypto.